Welcome to South Africa, Botswana and Zimbabwe. 3 countries connected by a railway built by a controversial British colonialist. Cecil Rhodes came to South Africa at the age of 17, made a fortune from diamonds, built a huge railway and laid the foundation for apartheid. Come on then. I'm going to try to follow Cecil Rhodes' railway from Cape Town to the Victoria Falls. I'll be starting in style.
Extreme luxury.
But things will inevitably go downhill.
So bouncy, this train.
As I try to find out what this railway means to these countries today.
Look at all this, no service, no service, no service.
1,500 miles, 3 countries, 5 trains, and one of the great natural wonders of the world. This is a railway built of blood, sweat and diamonds. And it's just incredible.